Hello everyone. Welcome back. It is 8:30 on a Wednesday, PM that is, and I'm wrapping up my day. I've been gone all day, and I decided, okay, before I get undressed and unwind, let me go in my room and do a video. So this box has been sitting for, I guess, a couple of weeks, and I brought it home from the office because I was going to do an unboxing at the office. So I brought it in because I wanted to just go ahead and put these shoes on the shelf, and I wanted to do an unboxing with everyone. So it must have came from the Coach retail store. And I don't remember what it is, but what I will tell you is not heels. It came wrapped. It is some tennis shoes, and it came with a message. So I sent myself a message, and it came with the thank you for shopping at Coach card. And let's see what these shoes look like. Now, what I can tell you is they were a last deal shoe. Oh, okay, it's the olive suede shoe. So it was last deal. And I probably got these for about $30. I know the total probably was right at about $70 or $80 because I wanted to pay shipping. That's one pair. And what else? I got. I don't like buying things and paying for a price. So you'll learn that about me. Who remembers seeing these? The leopard. So this is the Highland leopard skin shoe. Definitely for the winter, but that's okay. So I'm gonna make an assumption that this one probably was like 38. One of these probably was 40. The other one was like 38, which gave me a total for the $75 free shipping. So that is all I have. I just wanted to share with everyone my shoes. This is the same shoe, just different